welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Team
Zulueta.
If you're just new to our channel, don't forget to
Like
subscribe
and hit the notification bell.
for future videos. Yes, as you can see, we are here in front of the Home Lottery Grand Prize of Royal Melbourne Hospital.
Yes.
You can see the queue. It's so long. It only means the chance of winning is so low. But it's okay. We're still gonna fight for it, for this house.
There's 1 in 15,000 chance of winning this house.
Yeah, so lots of people are interested in winning this house. As you can see at the back, there are lots of people queuing to see the beautiful house. Okay, so this house is worth $4.6 million. And apart from that, you will win 200,000 worth of gold. Wow. And also, there are lots of other prices that you can check in their website, and we will put the website in the description below.
Yes.
Yeah. So this house is a 4-bedroom house built by
Maze.
Maze, which is, I think, the builder of every house every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's a 4-bedroom house with high ceiling, and the inspiration of this house is that you will be, enjoying a resort living house every day because it is just 3 minutes drive from the beach. So this 4-bedroom house is located at Hampton, which is a suburb near Hyatt and Sandringham. And as I've told you earlier, it's just 4 minutes away or 3 minutes drive from the Hampton beach.
Ooh, so we can go to the beach every day.
Yeah, no, you don't have to because you have swimming pool inside.
Yes,
yeah,
own pool. Yeah.
We're social.
Kaya nga, it's resort living.
Yes, so let's come and check it out. Let's go! So ito ang kanilang foyer. Foyer, tama ba? You will be greeted by the swimming pool. There's a mirror. Hi, mirror. Hi, swimming pool. Wow. Okay, let's go home. We're done. Let's go. Check it out. And then this is your view. There's the view. Ooh, nice curtain. And look at the cabinets, wardrobe. Oh, diba? Everything that's in here will be yours. Amazing, isn't it? Wow, beautiful. Let's go to the toilet. Wow. It's not Japanese. It's not opening by itself. And one vanity and a rain shower. Oh, diba? Walang pinto. There's no door, but it's not that big. As you can see, this is me. Okay? Just a regular size, and it's not that, the width as well. Yeah. But it's okay. It's beautiful. I like the color. Look at the bed. So stylish. I like it. Huh? So, maybe this is double size. Let's go to the next area. Okay, come, let's go. Oh, this is the powder room. Oh, lakas makasosyal. Powder room. Beautiful. Spacious. Diba? Ayan, nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. The beautiful thing in this house, wow, the layout, I like it because this is the garage door. So from here, coming from outside, you can go here, put your coat in here, chuck it there, and then all of your dirty stuff in there, and then you can wash your hands. So this is the laundry area. After washing your clothes, you can go straight here, but it's locked. And hang the clothes outside, and it's so sunny and it's spacious. Nice. So look at the laundry area, so spacious. And this is where you can hang your clothes outside. All of this are yours. Dryer and washer. Check this out. Ooh, for white, for dark clothes. Wow, beautiful. Maybe you can do this at home. See, lots of cupboards. Diba? For linen and everything. Connected to the butler's pantry. If that's not enough, you can put some of your dirty clothes here as well. Just kidding. And let's check this cupboard. This is closed. Maybe there's a scene of the crime. What is this? Wow, this is so cool. Incorporated. This is the fridge. Very large fridge. Ooh, freezer. And everything is all yours. Yeah, another cupboard. And cupboard, I cannot reach anymore. From white, transition to brown color wood. So this is the kitchen. Let's check it out. Ah. So in their kitchen, there are lots of cupboards, but they are all situated down here, but not in there. I was trying to press, but nothing is opening. So they're all down there. And then look, another laundry basket. Joke. So here, incorporated, it's already incorporated. The dishwasher. And then overlooking while you're cooking is the beautiful swimming pool. From the kitchen, let's go back. So that's the entrance. They have a receiving area over here. Kala ko sanitizer, mga besh. Pagayro ko, lalabas. Look at the window, guys. Everything is glass. From floor to ceiling. That's why you will have a natural light inside. So, you're gonna save for electricity. Wow! There's a TV. Nice. Wow. Then it will go here. Oh. And then we can close it again. Nice. Beautiful. But why do you have to cover your TV? Just to deceive the people. So, if you are a reader, you love reading, you'll have a very big space for a reading nook. And relax by this area. Look at this. Let's sit. It's not allowed to sit, but I will sit. Beautiful. Instagram. Ang ganda naman si Kuya. Look, you have an open space, living room, dining, and kitchen. All connected to your outer area. This is a beautiful living room. As you can see, it is surrounded by glass. Floor to ceiling glass. That's why we have a lot of ambient light all over the place. Wow! Whee! Diba? Mapa-baby shower ulit ako dito. Baby shower. Laki, oh. Diba, you can have a party in here. Look at this beautiful garden. Diba? Hey, neighbor. Soon to be neighbor. Hi. Hi. So as you can see, their outdoor is really big. Look at this alfresco. Connected to the outdoor area. Connected to the swimming pool. Come, let's check the swimming pool. This swimming pool is a 14-meter long. Enough for this little girl. Okay? So you can relax and enjoy this pool all by yourself. This is for free. Another freebie. Shower. Gaganito ako dito. I'm singing in the rain with a glorious feeling. I thought we'll just have the pool and the outdoor, but wait, there's more. There is a barbecue area. Come, let's check it out. Look at this very big space for you to prepare your barbecue. From here to there. You can sell isaw and, you know, all of the laman loob over there. The barbecuehan. Marami kami bibenta dito, ha. Kung lahat dito, ano mong ganyan, arrange mo, di ba? Punta doon. Haba ng counter. Counter din to. Upuan yan. And then, this is your barbecue area. This is your dining area and your kitchen. Di ba? I love it that it's not so big, no? It's easy to clean. I feel like it's connected from one to the other. Let's go. Look at the light fixture of the dining area. So pretty. Yung ceiling. Diba? Lakas makasosyal. So, if you have a visitor, you're just gonna say, "Oh, hi there. Just wait for me." Diba? Kasi makasosyal. I'm coming down. Let's check out the first bedroom upstairs. This bathroom, it's so huge. So spacious. And we have a natural light coming from there. You will really save the electricity here. The electricity bill in this house is just low, even if it's big, because of the lighting. Natural lights inside. You have enough storage. And if you want to sneak out at night, you can put a ladder in here and just climb up. Second bedroom. So it's basically just the same. Come, check it out. So this is the toilet and bath of the second bedroom. The only difference is that this one has no skylight. So come check it out. The good thing about this house is just even if it's a big, even if it's a big, you can easily find your housemate. So just look in here. There's the living room, there's the dining room, and then there's the kitchen. You can just see. Oh, he's not there. Oh, maybe he's here. Oh, he's not there. Then go to the other one. Just look at the second living room. Just see if it's there. So it will be easier for you to find your family members. Sa madaling salita, hello, ang bilis lang sumigaw dito. Heaven, nasan ka? Maririnig na ako. Aakit ka dito, may papakuha ko sa'yo. Di ba? Aljo, asan ka? Ganun lang. Sigaw-sigaw ka lang dito, maririnig ka na nila. Gusto ko siya, in fairness. Kahit na parang malaki siya, pero maliit, parang ganon. Basta di ko explain. Let's go to the primary bedroom. You can control your room's temperature. Every room, they have this one. Diba? Amazing. I don't know how to use it, but it's amazing. And they have their own speaker. Actually, I can just shout and, page. I will not go there anymore pala. I can page them using this speaker. Met call room 2. So here's the master's bedroom / primary bedroom. Why it's all covered? Where is the toilet? Where is the wardrobe? I don't know. But there is a doorknob over there and here, maybe one of these. Let's check this one first. What's behind this door? Let's see. Ooh, it's a study room. I thought it's a wardrobe or a toilet, but it's a study room. An office. Nice, no? If you don't want to disturb your partner who's sleeping inside, you can just go here and hide. Hide talaga. Yeah, and do your own thing. And then there's a light. Diba? Nice, beautiful. And overlooking is your garden. You know what? They should have, put this as whole glass. Demanding po ako. Libre na nga. Sana nila to, full glass, so that you can see the garden. Maybe if I'll be in this, I'll just let it renovate it. Wow! I understand now why this is not a full glass for privacy. Because I noticed with the neighbors' houses, they don't have as well full glass. It's just half. Hindi marunong sa ganun. Second floor pala to. Yeah. So, you know, I'm not used to luxurious living. So, so there's another doorknob. Let's check what's in here. Let's go. There you go. Whoa, this is big. So this is your wardrobe and your toilet and bath. So see, just like from the previous vlog, you can also make rampa over here. Pack and pack with a baby. So, nice. This is for him, for me, for you, for me again, and this for me again. And this is for me. This is just your side. Okay, this is for you. And all of these are for me. So, lots of spaces. And they are all the push. And then soft close. Nice, beautiful. So you'll have your own beautiful bathtub in here. You have the 2 vanities and your spacious rain shower. You can dance, you can fly, yeah, and touch the rainbow in the sky, and your toilet. There you have it, guys. We just had a look of this beautiful house and it is really pretty. Lakas makasosyal.
Pretty
Yeah.
like?
Me! Yeah, it's beautiful. It's not that big, maybe because the land itself is already expensive because it's
yes.
near the beach.
Yep.
Maybe that's what I'm thinking. It's not that big, but I think it's okay.
It's okay. It's small enough that you can clean it, and it's not big enough that it's hard to clean it.
Yes. So, and you can see each member of the family. Because if it's too big, you will not see each other anymore.
Yeah.
So that's the good thing about this house.
There's a lot of open spaces. Even if you're in the second floor, you can still see, hear everybody downstairs.
Yeah, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Again, till our next house tour. Don't forget to
Like
subscribe.
and hit the notification bell for
Future videos.
videos.
Bye. This is Team Zulwera. See ya.